Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick video on the Simrad unit. You just bought your new boat and you have your new Simrad unit. Some people aren't used to, and there's a couple functions that we get a phone call on all the time. Some common things are: how do you add the depth, how do you add temperature, how do you see the speed of the boat. So today I'm going to show you a couple functions on how to adjust the screen on your Simrad unit. So let's go take a look. Alright, now that we're on the boat, once you turn the key on, your Simrad pops up and your main menu is here. So you most commonly use screen as the chart. Once the chart pops up, you have this nice little toolbar on here. There's all kinds of options, what it can show: depth, speed, water temperature, date and time, and people just don't know how to change it. So the first thing you want to do is just touch the box. It's going to make it into an orange outline. So if we go back to this box, the large screen has an orange outline. So let's go back to that box, and whichever one of these you want to change, you hold your finger on it and then the option button will come up. So let's say we want to change that so we know what time it is out there, what time we need to be home. So we're going to scroll through. Then we have a section that has date and time, local date and time, and now we have local date and time there. So we can go down below. We want to change that out. So let's scroll. Let's say we want to have water depth. We'll scroll down till we find the water depth. We'll go with water temperature here. Now we have water temperature. So all these screens can be changed just by holding your finger on it and selecting the option you want. It's as simple as that.